Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you a simple recipe which is called Raita. It is a friend of mine shared the recipe in their home they make. So I'm going to share this with you. So first of all, I have a 1 cup of yogurt and half cucumber chopped into cubes, and I have half small carrot grated, salt, some coriander leaves, and also a quarter onion chopped into small cubes, which I'll be adding it later. So the salt is here, the sugar is not here, but I'll show you later. We'll be adding some salt and sugar in the end. So for this, I'll start off with this. And to start off, I have to whip the yogurt. So let's get started. To whip the yogurt, I'll add a little bit, a pinch or less than a pinch of turmeric powder. Some garam masala powder. This is a store-bought. I'm just adding some, not much, approximately about a quarter teaspoon. And I'm going to bring in some cumin powder, roasted cumin powder. Give me a minute. And half a teaspoon, or as according to your taste, some cumin powder. And with this all, I'm going to whip it. And we begin with the whipping of it. Let all the spices blend together. The spices has already been blended, and also the whipping process is over. So now I'm going to add my cucumber, my carrots, sorry, my alarm went on, so please excuse me, and some onions, and some cilantro, and we'll mix all together. If you feel that the yogurt is insufficient, you can always add more. But for me, it's just that I like it this way as well. And now I'm going to add some sugar. Remember, salt and sugar should be added upon the time when you are serving. So I've already mixed some salt, and give me I'll bring the sugar in. And there we go, your raita is ready. So please try, leave a comment, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and like the video especially. Your subscription will be much more appreciated for me. Thank you, and see you in the next video.